Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will go over how to set up TradingView, a full guide. First, head to the TradingView website and look for the Join for Free button, usually located in the upper right. You can choose to sign up quickly using your Google, Facebook, or other social media accounts, or simply use your email address. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the link inside to activate your brand new TradingView profile. This easy first step gets you ready to explore the platform. Once logged in, it is time to personalize your workspace. Navigate to the chart settings, typically accessed via the gear icon, to select your preferred theme. Many users enjoy the clean look of the dark theme. Next, create a watch list on the right panel and add your initial set of 2 or 3 favorite trading instruments, perhaps Apple, Tesla, or Bitcoin. For more advanced viewing, try splitting your screen into a 2x2 grid to simultaneously monitor 4 different charts at once, enhancing your market overview. Now, let us dive into the core of TradingView, charting. Look for the Indicators button at the top of your screen to search and add popular tools like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD to your chart. The left sidebar hosts a robust collection of drawing tools. Use these to identify potential support and resistance levels with precise trend lines. Experiment with different timeframes, from a quick 5-minute view to a detailed daily chart, to observe various market movements and enhance your analysis. To maximize your efficiency, always save your custom chart layouts after making significant changes. This ensures you can reload your preferred setup in just one click for every new trading session. Additionally, take advantage of the powerful alert feature. Right-click on a specific price point on your chart and set an alert to receive instant notifications when your chosen asset hits that level. Finally, engage with the vibrant TradingView community to discover new strategies and learn from hundreds of thousands of active traders, deepening your market insight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.